When you're learning a language, the first question that you're going to figure it out is what is a subject, what is a verb, and what is the object. Because most of the language needs these three components to make a sentence. So let's have a look at what is the subject. The subject is a sentence. A subject of a sentence is the person, place, or thing that is performing the action of the sentence. A subject usually contains a noun, like apple or school, or pronoun, like you and I. Let's have a look at the next several questions to figure it out, the subject of that sentence. Question number 1. 我喜欢听音乐. I like listening to the music. The subject that performing the action, which is 喜欢, is 我, I. So 我 is the subject. Number 2. 学习中文很有意思. In that sentence, 学习中文, learning Chinese, is the subject because it's a thing. Learning Chinese, that thing is very interesting. Number 3. 今天天气很好. 今天天气, today's weather, is the subject. Well, 今天 actually is a describing words to describe the weather. So weather, 天气, is the core subject. It is a thing again. Number 4. 我的猫在公园. My cat is in the park. 我的猫. The core subject is 猫. 我的 is describing the 猫. So 猫 is the subject of that sentence. Number 5. 踢足球很好玩. Well, again, this time, the subject of the sentence is a thing. So 踢足球, playing soccer, is the subject. Very well, since we figured out the subject of the sentence, now the next question is, how do we form a basic Chinese sentence? A Chinese sentence, like English sentence, are mainly composed by 3 components: a subject, a verb, an object. Sometimes the object is missing because some of the verb does not need an object to follow behind. So for example, 我跑步, 我跑步, I ran, is subject with a verb. Another example, 我游泳, I swim. It's the same. It's a subject with a verb. But most of the time, we need a subject, verb, and object. And subject, verb, and object, when they're the 3 components together, we form a statement sentences. So that's a statement sentence. 我喜欢猫. 我 is subject, I. 喜欢 means like, which is a verb. 猫 object, which means the cat. 我喜欢猫. Let's look at another example. 她不是我的妈妈. 她 is the subject. She 不是 is not, which is the verb of that sentence. 我的妈妈 subject, my mom. Number 3. 我去图书馆. 我去图书馆. 我 means I, the subject. 去 the verb means go. 图书馆 it means library, the object. 我去图书馆.